Boys, today we've got a very special drink. This time we got the drink already prepared. That's right, I paid some dumb to send this over, and now I don't even have to do all the work. I'm gonna just sit back while the video makes itself. This, boys, Rogue Energy. Now if you don't know what Rogue Energy is, you're quite dumb. Rogue Energy is an energy drink, but it ain't like that fucking cock and balls that you have at the supermarket. What am I on about? Rogue Energy is an awesome energy drink, and it ain't shit like Mountain Dew or Monster Energy, because those are fucking bad for you. This is a real energy drink, and guess what? It's the world's most delicious gaming drink. That's right, gamers drink this. Like, gamers? So of course, I have to check it out on the channel, because it'd be a big meme, it'd be very funny, and I always like to put the big funny on this channel, bro. So let's just jump into it. Ah, dick, I just stabbed myself. Let's unbox this bitch. The fuck do I open it? I don't know how to open a box. My name's not fucking Unbox Therapy, bro. I don't know how to do this. Oh, I just did this. Fucking Americans, I can't package anything. I mean, this is a good drink. Smells like asbestos.
Bruh.
Look at that. It'd be quite nice. I decided to get the purple one because purple's quite a nice colour. Let's get this bad boy open. Wow. That do be a high quality shaker. That's awesome. I do quite... That's pretty cool, and I do like purple because it reminds me of my main man Waluigi. My chest do be quite exposed. What else we got in here? What's this? Huh. My personal information. This must be all 6 of my luxurious samples. Let's whip them out. Whew. Thank you for your order. That's what it says. Thank you for being a valuable member of the Rogue Energy family. We clearly want a better tasting, more effective energy drink. That's exactly what we pride ourselves on delivering. Bruh, at least they'll be better than G Fuel. G Fuel's fucking AIDS, bro. Now that you have officially made the switch to Rogue Energy, we look forward to helping elevate your energy, focus, motivation, and endurance for years to come. We appreciate you. And that's from Zach Dudzik, Chief Executive Officer. Dudzik. Sounds Polish, bro. Is that a sticker? Oh, I'm gonna put this on something. Rogue Energy Hydration Extreme. That's awesome. Let's take a look at these sexy things. We got cherry limeade, mango pineapple. Or is this what I think it is? Oh, blue raspberry. I fucking love blue raspberry. I can't wait to try that one. We got grape popsicle, strawberry kiwi, and last, pink lemonade. These are some lit flavours, bro. These do be quite lit, do be quite nice, I will admit. I don't want to try blue raspberry just yet because it's my favourite flavour of anything, like sweets, sauce on an ice cream. So I'll have to choose something less nice, but still probably quite nice. This grape popsicle seems quite nice. I could smell that. I saw a bit of it come out. I was like, quite tasty, quite nice. Bottoms up, boys. Oh shit, it's going on my table. Watch this, boys. It's going in the atmosphere. Why is it dust? Oh, I need to put water in this, don't I? Fuck. Do I fill it to the top? I'm so confused. I'm just gonna go fill this to the top. I assume. Do I keep this in? I'm actually very confused. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go fill this up. Alright, so I put it in here, and do I put this in? Oh, what the fuck is this? I'm so confused. Do I keep that in there by just touching? I assume I shake it. Was I meant to keep that thing? I'm so fucking confused. Yeah, James Bond does it. Oh fuck. Is this gonna pop? Is this gonna... Oh, I wasn't too bad. They were quite nice. I was worried then. I thought I put way too much like water in there because like it's quite big. But it turns out it's just the perfect amount. It's just enough water so it, you know, makes it sweet enough but not overly sweet. That is very nice. Wow, I feel full of energy. Rogue Energy really saved my life. I'll tell you what though, I can give you a great deal on Rogue Energy. Not sponsored. This isn't sponsored. I must specify this is not sponsored. It's not sponsored. If you go to their website and you put in shit in your cart, you're like, oh yeah, I want to buy some Rogue Energy. You can use the code IT'sChappy at checkout for 10% off your order. That's code IT'sChappy. So yeah, Rogue Energy do be quite nice. Rogue, please sponsor me. Please send me free shit. I want to be sponsored by you. It's very nice. I like it. And you're an American company as well. I don't usually say that about Americans, because Americans do be quite trash. But this is quite good. You did well, Americans. I'm proud.